Well, welcome back to Carolina Saltwater Living, y'all. Had to fire up this Kubota. The road needs some attention today, and we're going to put this land leveler for Catawba Attachments to work. Got a lot of little potholes and stuff that have formed. We've had a lot of freezing thaws, a couple of snows, believe it or not, down here at the coast, southeast North Carolina, right here about 2/10 of a mile off of the ocean. Snow, so we've enjoyed that, but the road has not. So we're going to work on it today. Be a lot of time lapse in this video. I want you guys to see the transformation that's going to take place. We're going to take a bunch of light skims with this land leveler. We're not being aggressive with it today. We're just skimming, passing, skimming, pulling up material that's buried, relaying it back on the surface. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need any attachments for your tractor, check out Catawba Attachments. I'll leave a link in the description. That first pass was just establishing some borders. Now I can go back and removing some grass, things like that on the edge. Saw a bunch of deer. I wish I'd have had the camera the other way. You could have seen like 6 or 7 big old doe. But now I can get on to the rest of the road and start working it, pulling up that material that's packed down, relaying it. Ford Ranger to go behind me with the camera on the hood. Or on the top of the truck. I was going to put it on the hood, but I didn't realize it's aluminum, y'all. So that thing will never rust down here, which is really good, but couldn't make the camera mount hook to it. But I just wanted to show you some real speed. I'm in first gear, high range, 4-wheel drive, running on this road, and I'm just skimming. And as it gets further along, you'll see some more material build up and come over. But I have found on these sandy dirt roads down here that skimming them is the best way to go, and just making several passes to get to the depth you want versus trying to cut real deep and just tear up a bunch of material at one time. So watch it in real time, you'll get an idea of how this thing actually works. Y'all, when we actually moved down here, this road had growed in, starting where you see the tractor here, and it was down to a 1-lane road. You can tell where I took the excavator and cleared probably 7 or 8 feet that had growed in, and there's plenty of gravel over there that I'm able to work up to lay back down on this road. So it has really made an improvement being able to come through here with the excavator and this land plane. Now you can set your arms on your 3-point to get a little bit of a slope if you have a crown in your road. This road already has a bit of a crown, so there's no need, and it's so wide, there's no need to really set one side higher than the other. But if you're establishing a new road, you can set this top link, not the top link, but one of the side arms, to put maybe a couple of inches of difference between the right and the left. I'm filling in right here beside a neighbor's mailbox. Mailman said he wasn't going to deliver the mail anymore if there were ruts in it, so I talked to him yesterday and told him, I said, I'm going to work on the road, so I'll fix that for you. That way the mailman's not giving you a hard time. But I just wanted you to see this in real time. I know it's slow and kind of boring, but if you're in the market for an implement that costs a couple of $1,000s like this one from Catawba, and y'all, it's worth it. You need to see it working in some real time here. I'll speed this thing up again here in just a minute, but I came through here after I got completely done today and filled up 2 42-gallon bags of trash where people had thrown out beer bottles and soda cans and all kinds of mess over the years. And I guess nobody really had the desire to get out and do any WORK and pick up stuff, but I got out there and cleaned it up, and y'all, it really just makes it look so much better now that this has been done. Hopefully y'all can see just how good this land leveler has done on this road. Y'all, this land leveler from Catawba Attachments, it is doing a fantastic job. And I have learned that if you will just skim on the sand and gravel roads that we have down here, it works the best. You try to take a big old cut, it really just pulls up more material than you need to. So skimming as you go, and it pulls up about 1 inch or so at the time. And as long as you've got this thing, your top link, so that your skid shoes are completely level, it does a fantastic job working with both of those cutting bars in tandem. Y'all, thanks for stopping in here at Carolina Saltwater Living. We worked on the road a little bit, and I wish I could have got the video of those deer. That was cool. Made me wish I was still deer hunting. Maybe I will next year. Guys, y'all have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We will see you on the next one.